The trainers are well trained for me. Okay. Through the activities banyak hidden message yang disampaikan. Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya Fahad Aziz daripada Marathon Consult Sdn Bhd. So, saya sebagai logistik executive. So, the trainers are well trained for me. Okay. Through the activities banyak hidden message yang disampaikan. And juga saya suka, especially at the end of each activities tu, kita akan ada summary session untuk bagi semua orang message yang perlu ada dalam satu activity. So I think betul lah, that type of activities yang kita jalankan through this training dapat bantu lah. Of course, pertama kali enjoyment lah. Okay, kita dapat spend masa, especially dengan kita punya colleagues. And to our company pula, kita ada 2 branches, JB and KL. So dapat mengeratkan silaturahim tu better. And of course some insight from the coach and the trainers. Throughout the training, saya rasa yang paling best Unity Bridge Circuit. Okay, was one of my favourite lah. Harapannya adalah untuk come again lah. Okay, to this place, very good ambience, facility pun top notch, trainers are also very good, very friendly, and to explore more lah activities yang actually trainers and coach yang akan provide. I would say a solid 9.
Sebab?
Ambience, of course, sungai and the facilities. The food is good and the trainers are well equipped. Kita semua entertain lah.